In this video, I'm going to go over the Builderall Chatbot. What's going on, guys and girls? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be covering the Builderall Chatbot. And yes, Builderall has a fully functional, unlimited chatbot included in their subscription. Is that crazy? Crazy value that Builderall offers. Just one of the 29 plus tools that they include is an unlimited chatbot which you can connect to unlimited pages with unlimited subscribers. So really cool value, and without further ado, let's jump in. The Facebook chatbot, and this is yet another tool which is worth the price of admission alone. So if you don't know what a chatbot is, it's basically where people subscribe to your chatbot and you can send them messages through Facebook Messenger. So it's basically like a messenger email marketing tool. So with that said, let's jump into the Facebook chatbot. So like I said, the Facebook chatbot is a really cool tool, and the awesome thing about it is you can add as many pages with as many subscribers as you want. A lot of the competitors only allow you to add one page or a few pages with a limited amount of subscribers for $30, $50 a month, but with the Facebook chatbot in Builderall, you can add as many pages with as many active subscribers as you like. So it's very valuable. And on the post to answer page, you can actually auto answer people who comment on your posts on your wall. So that's another cool little aspect of the Facebook chatbot in Builderall, which not a lot of the competitors have. So here you can see your subscribers, detailed statistics about your subscribers and groups. You can create your growth tools if you want to add pages and pop-ups on your landing pages, send out one-time broadcasts, send out flows, which are a bit like email sequences, and then you can have automation. So if someone types something into your chatbot, you can answer them with a certain post. And this is good for kind of artificial intelligence. So if you want to add a question on there, so someone asks your Facebook chatbot a question, you can answer them with an intelligent answer. So with this tool, you can create a very advanced, sophisticated bot, which is pretty much capable of replacing your virtual assistant, replacing your secretary, and doing all the scheduling and stuff with your clients. So a really cool feature of the chatbot as well. And you can actually also add your bot onto your website as well, so you can integrate that into your website and integrate it with the webinar platform as well. So with the webinar platform, you can actually set it to send messages to your page when someone comments. So if someone's watching your webinar and they ask a question, you can have that automatically sent to your messenger for you to answer them right on there. So another really powerful tool, which I haven't seen any of the other competitors have as well. Builderall's always innovating, trying to make things as easy as possible for you, and that's another really cool aspect of the Facebook chatbot. So there you have it, a brief overview of the Builderall chatbot. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and the bell notifications to be updated on any of my new videos. I will see you in the next video.